Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better investing or trading decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. We closed down 1 cent at $22.92. Post-market, we seem to be up 6 cents at $22.98. Basically, the close is pretty much even with the close of yesterday. But if we look at the candles, the story is completely different. The low of the day was $22.78 and the low of yesterday was $21.80. So that's a big difference in terms of the low. The low is a lot higher than it was yesterday, and the high is also higher. We have a longer wick on that candle here on the top, so it means that the stock tried to really go super high but then was squished down. The stock was squished because it's coming closer to the resistance that we have here. The good note is that the low of the day is higher than $22.75. So $22.75 is basically the top of the congestion zone that we were in not too long ago. So we closed on it. So we basically validated that support. Yes, of course, it could still go down, but at least having validated it is one step further. This is nice. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We opened right here at the top of the body of the rectangle, went quite high and reached 23.50. So went as high at 23.50. So 23.50 acted as a resistance. This is interesting. Then the stock was squished down. This was the highest volume of the day. Then second hour went up. Third hour went up, and then we reached the resistance that we have, and that's what made us come down. But basically, we came down pretty much at the same level as we started. Going back to the daily chart, stochastic is basically going sideways, pretty much smack on 80. Still a thumbs up. We have MACD that still crossed over and coming closer to becoming positive, the two lines becoming positive. And what is of note is the DMI. The red line is dropping like crazy, and the red line is expressing the bearishness of the stock. So the bearishness is going down quite fast, and the bullishness is going up quite fast. So this is interesting. At that rate, we should be able to cross over not too long from now. The earnings are on August 12th, so 2 days to wait for the earnings. We would like the stock to remain above $22.75. We need it to remain above $22.75, and then depending on the earnings, I think this will have some impact. So stay tuned to see what is going to happen. I do a Palantir and Tesla video every single day. If you become a YouTube member, I also do an exclusive weekly recap for Tesla and Palantir on the weekend, where we can take a look at a more broader trend for Palantir and Tesla. I look at the weekly chart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.